Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. We have a beautiful Seat Cupra in the house and it is having a Welly cooler fitted. So there's some bits already off, as you can see. Let's go find Jensen and see where he's got to. So here he is, Jensen.
Hello.
You like your VAG stuff, don't you?
I don't know about that.
This is nice, isn't it? Now, I believe this car's actually booked in to our friends at Artec this week to have Stage 2 Plus. So we're fitting the infamous Welly cooler.
Yeah.
So your first job is to...
Well, you're a bit late, but it's sort of all apart now. Taken the front bumper off, the front slam panel, the crash bar, and taken the sandwich cooler, which goes in between here out.
Sure.
And then we...
So not keeping its aircon or keeping its aircon?
It is keeping
It is
aircon
keeping its
well,
aircon. Okay, okay.
So we have to use the original plastic pieces that go on the side of the original intercooler to hold this back together, and then our piece comes at the front.
The great big shiny piece, that's the bit I'm talking about. Whoa.
The lovely bit.
Are we having Dynodaze on the front of it? I think we should.
I think we should.
I think we should.
Definitely.
Okay, bro. Well, you've got lots to get on with, so I'll come back and see you in a bit, and hopefully it looks a bit more shiny. I know there's some welding to be done,
Yeah.
so yeah, we'll see Uncle Richard on that. Okay, right. See you in a bit. Well, that's the core mounted. It looks absolutely fabulous. It's got a name on it and everything.
Yeah, got a name on it and everything.
Yeah, it looks great, that does, guys. Big old core, biggest core you're going to fit in that area as well. So, yeah. Beauty. Well, that's this one completed. And as you can see, you can just make out the Dynodaze on the front of it there. That's the Welly cooler installed. This one's now off to Artec round the corner. It's going to have some mapping done. Artec suggests this for Stage 2 Plus, the Welly cooler. So if you need one, you give us a shout. Thanks very much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Jeno? We will indeed, yeah.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.